Hi everyone, I'm Lhadon Tethong. I'm the director of Tibet Action Institute. Some of you may have seen recently a post by my colleague and dear friend Tendor, our program director, from the Kalachakra Buddhist initiation in Bodh Gaya in India. Most of you will know that the Chinese government actually blocked most Tibetans from inside Tibet from attending the teaching, and they also tried to stop all conversation about the Kalachakra by censoring the Chinese social media app WeChat. As frustrating as this is and as disheartening as it might have been for many people, I think we also have to see this as a sign of Beijing's weakness, that a Buddhist religious teaching would be such a threat to warrant such an overblown response. I also think we have to recognize the incredible strength of the Tibetan people, as we see almost every day in the news. Tibetans inside Tibet, despite the repression they're facing, are incredibly strong. And I think it's China's growing weakness and Tibetan strength that really Tibet Action is focused on. We are helping Tibetans defend against China's online attacks while at the same time developing new strategies and tools so that Tibetans in the struggle for rights and freedom can win. It's just that simple. And there's a lot more to it I want to tell you about, but I'll do that in a future post. So for now, I'll leave it here and I'll see you soon.